Good morning to all. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Subham Panda. I am studying in class 7th. Today is my English activity. My topic is The Road Not Taken, poem narration, and its author is Robert Frost. The Road Not Taken. Description. The Road Not Taken is a narrative poem by Robert Frost, first published in the August 1915 issue of the Atlantic Monthly, and later published as the first poem in the collection Mountain Interval 1916. Its central theme is the divergence of path both literally and figuratively. Although its interpretation is noted for being complex and potentially divergent, the first 1915 publication differs from the 1916 republication. In Mountain Interval, in the line 13th, marked is replaced by cap and a dash replaces a comma in line 18. Who is Robert Frost? He is the author of this poem. Robert Lee Frost. He was born in March 26, 1874 and died in January 29, 1963. He was an American poet. His work was initially published in England before it was published in the United States. He was known for his realistic depiction of rural life and his command of American conical speech. Frost frequently wrote about settings from rural life in New England in the early 20th century, using them to examine complex social and philosophical themes. What are the most famous poems written by Robert Frost? So I have chosen some of them. The Road Not Taken, Fire and Ice, Nothing Gold Can Stay, Birches, Mending Walls, The Gift Outright, Acquainted with the Night, etc. The Road Not Taken. Now I will narrate this poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller long. I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better climb, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as far that the passing there had worn them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden back. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubt if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.